I don't see language, as I was trying to explain to you, I don't see language only as words. It is words, and it is the grammar and syntax of words. But language is a set of glasses that you put, and you change those glasses, and you put another glass, and the world looks differently, and you look differently because the frame is another one. Yiddish was the language of our Jewishness, our way of relating to the past, of seeing Poland and the Ukraine as places where we had some connection, even though it was only through nostalgia, through visions of a past that were presented through the memories of grandparents and of parents that recreated memories of grandparents and so on. My father, for instance, every so often when he would joke, he would sing in Polish or he would sing in Russian. And my mother would crack a joke that obviously had started in another language, and then when you heard it in Spanish, it was a disaster. So Yiddish was the language that made us choose. Spanish was the language of the second circle of neighbors and friends. It was the language also of the country in which we live. We were very grateful to this country, even though we didn't feel fully and completely Mexicans. And there was Hebrew, the language of a future of the Jewish people, whereas Yiddish was the language of the past. And English, the practical language of business, of the entertainment and the culture businesses. And I didn't know then, but eventually the language of my own future.